That was the last item he brought me, and he found some flowers on a farm outside of Berlin, and they are plastic flowers, and I love plastic flowers.
And I know that. And when I asked the person there, can I take these flowers? He said, what? This is trash. Pretty often it happens that I walk down the road and I just find things in the street. If it's a little plastic crab or a padlock or something.
Those are all objects I found on the pavement over the last 20-30 years. Like this one. There's a little matchbox car or whatever, but a big car destroyed it. But it's perfect. We are kind of object lovers.
Yeah, we like to display these funny things because they're so unusual, and we just all love every little piece.
This one is my favorite key. It's a typical GDR key, and it reminds me of the beginning of the 90s. I think all items contain a memory for us.
Are we collectors, or are we just crazy? We see the beauty in things other people probably don't at the first sight.
But if you show it, they see it. And people love to hear the stories about the items as well. So it's really beautiful.